Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Daisy Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is another Gilly tutorial video, so let's get into it. We will be using the silk material to tie this style, so go get yours. Just gonna grab that and fold it in. Okay. Just gonna bring my head out, not my head, but bring my hair out. Okay. And tie this. Start to fold it in like you do with a paper. Okay, twist the hand. And twist that in and tuck it into the hair over here. That's the end of today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Daisy Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am